Hello everyone, myself Sujit Sanjay Patil, faculty Shri Jain Vidya Prasarak Mandals, Rasiklal M. Dhariwal, College of Pharmacy, Chinchwad, Pune. In this video, we are going to discuss about antihypertensives. Contents: hypertension introduction, classification of antihypertensive, example or agents of antihypertensive, mechanism, uses and adverse effect. Hypertension, most common cardiovascular disease, effect of raised blood pressure, kidney, renal failure, heart, coronary disease, brain, stroke. Hypertension. Types of hypertension are essential, primary and secondary. Diagnosis: repeated, reproducible measurements of elevated blood pressure. Normal regulation of blood pressure. Blood pressure is equal to cardiac output into peripheral vascular resistance. Kidney also involved in regulation of blood pressure or maintenance of blood pressure. Local regulation of blood pressure also seen. Mechanism: neural baroreflexes via autonomic nerves. Humoral renin angiostensin aldosterone system. Antihypertensive drugs classification. First, diuretics. The example is hydrochlorothiazide, furosemide. Sympathopelagics. The example is clonidine, labetalol, prazosin, propanolol. Direct vasodilator. Example is amlodipine, sodium nitroprusside, hydralazine. Agents that block production or action of angiotensin. The example is enalapril, losartan, spironolactone. Diuretics, mechanism of action: inhibit specific transporters in nephrons. Furosemide, sodium potassium contrasport. Hydrochlorothiazide, sodium chloride symptort. Inhibition leads to decreased potassium and chlorine absorption. More sodium, chlorine and water passes in urine. Furosemide, high amount of urine form brisk diuresis occurs, that is, blood volume decreases leading to decreased cardiac output. Hydrochlorothiazide, small persisting sodium and volume defect, slow development of reduction in PVR arterioles, decrease stiffness of wall vessel. Uses: furosemide is a diuretic. It is used as hypertension complicated by chronic renal failure, refractometry congestive heart failure, resistant to combination regime containing thiazide. Hydrochlorothiazide is used as mild antihypertensive in combination with other hypertensives, potentiates other antihypertensives. So these are the uses of diuretics which are important in the maintenance of blood pressure or which is also important in the maintenance of BP. Adverse effect of diuretics: hydrochlorothiazide, hypokalemia; furosemide, acute saline depletion; hyperglycemia, hyperlipidemia; gastrointestinal tract, nausea, vomiting, diarrhea; central nervous system, headache, giddiness, weakness and paresthesia. And also the allergic reactions are the adverse effect of diuretics. Calcium channel blockers: amlodipine, nifedipine, felodipine, nitridipine, clinidipine. Verapamil, ditilazem not commonly used. act by blocking calcium channels present in smooth muscle of blood vessel, leads to vasodilation and decrease in blood pressure. Amlodipine long acting, administered once in a day. Amlodipine uses first line drug for hypertension, monotherapy, combination therapy with other antihypertensives, angina pectoris, stable angina. Furosemide, high amount of urine form brisk diuresis occurs. That is, blood volume decreases leading to decreased cardiac output. Hydrochlorothiazide, small persisting sodium and volume defect, slow development of reduction in ACE inhibitors. It includes captopril, enalapril, fosinopril, ramipril. Act by inhibiting angiotensin converting enzyme, hence called ACE inhibitors. Angiotensin first cannot be converted to angiotensin second. Effect of angiotensin second not seen. Captopril uses hypertension, monotherapy, combination therapy, congestive heart failure, left ventricular dysfunction after myocardial infarction, and diabetic nephropathy. Captopril adverse effect in dry cough, dysgeusia, hyperkalemia, angioedema, skin rash, hypotension, palpitation, tachycardia should not be administered in pregnancy. Angiotensin receptor blocker includes losartan, valsartan, telmisartan, olmesartan. Act by blocking angiotensin receptor, that is AT first. Effect of angiotensin second block by vasodilation, decrease central and peripheral sympathetic stimulation, also decrease aldosterone release. Losartan uses and adverse effect. Losartan is used in hypertension, myocardial infarction, and in diabetic nephropathy. Adverse effect: hypotension, hyperkalemia, angioedema, headache, dizziness, and weakness. Conclusion: blood pressure can be controlled by multiple ways. Hydrochlorothiazide act by creating small amount of sodium defect. Amlodipine act by causing relaxation of blood vessels. Captopril inhibit angiotensin converting enzyme and decrease availability of angiotensin second. Thank you.